This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the order and checking for contraindications. This avoids preventable complications. Next, apply a snug stockinette, then layer 1/2-inch padding, focusing heavier over malleoli and heel because pressure causes breakdown. Once done, position the limb, elevate and support it, keep adjacent joints in a neutral range, and document neurovascular status before you begin. This initial setup moves you straight into casting with safety and predictable anatomy. You wet the cast material and remove excess water because excess delays setting and weakens the shell. Start distal to proximal, wrapping in 50% overlaps. Keep fingers spread and smooth each pass to prevent creases that create pressure points. While the material is pliable, model the cast to restore and hold alignment, palpate landmarks and correct rotation. Make small adjustments quickly. Once cured, changes are difficult. Throughout, monitor patient comfort and neurovascular signs to catch problems early. You finish by trimming edges and smoothing rough spots. Use a cast saw or file carefully to avoid skin injury, and consider a window for high-risk areas. Then reassess circulation, sensation, and motor function immediately, and again at 30 minutes because early detection prevents ischemia. If the patient develops increasing pain, numbness, or tense swelling, act quickly. Bivalve or split the cast, loosen padding, elevate the limb, and reassess. This step resolves common issues before they escalate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.